Hello guys, and welcome to Ihor from Canada. 2 weeks ago I promised you to show you the video that's gonna be how the leaves going from my Asian friends. And I was by the same tree here and you couldn't see any leaves there. They were kinda still looking like dead leaves. But unfortunately the springtime is a little bit delayed here because of cool weathers. And sometimes those leaves pop out like crazy in a few days, they're completely green. But now they are slowly greening and slowly going out. This spring is completely different, and sometimes in a few days from 0 temperatures to plus 30 goes in a few weeks. But this year we still have another those few weeks, we're going plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, 10. Look at those leaves. Remember last videos? I was just in front of this building here, but as I see, something happened to my microphone. Show me that it's blinking, working, and now I have to do voiceover. And I was showing you the green tree here, the green bush here. It was completely dead before. It looked like dead, but it wasn't dead. Look at this beautiful green grass. You see, that tree still looks like, but it's coming. Let's see, I get closer to it soon. Well, it's still cool today. It's 9 degrees Celsius, 9, 10. It's gonna be 11 soon. But the weather is not great. It was raining at night. You see the grass was cut before here. And I'm showing you the differences here. See puddles from the rain. Good thing we have rain, but I think we had last weekend really not the best. And this weekend is not great. A pine tree, it doesn't start growing yet. You see, it's just they starting like getting this bigger, but no new branches coming out yet. But we'll see. I'll show you another video in 2 weeks. You'll see complete difference. You see the bushes before? You could not see anything green on them, but look at the bush. Beautiful. And this tree I show you from the same tree that's in front of the building. And the leaves almost grown out really good. Because it's kind of wet outside and the grass is wet, and I want to show you the short video here, and then I will drive to the park just in case it's not raining, because I want to show you something else here, not the same thing walking around. I will show you the garden and more things here, but let's go out and let's go for a walk on that walking path here outside my building here. As I say, we can complain a lot about the weather, but the weather would not change. It is what it is. We have to accept it as it is. And as you see before here, we see it was a lot of brown grass. Now look, there's some brown grass because it's dead leaves. They won't go away unless you cut them or burn them, but everything became greener. Now you don't see those 3 feet of the city cut the grass. It still didn't go over again. But in a few weeks, hopefully they go over, and will they cut them again? I guess they will. Because city looks after those trails here. And I'll just go here to this little garden on the left side that belongs to the community. And since I step in here, I feel my shoes, my socks getting wet here. But you see, somebody's gonna be planting something here. I'll show you later. Here also people start digging. So I don't know, I didn't see it. But if I see it from my balcony, I'll let you know what's going on here. And I wanted to take you to those green bushes. Before they were not green. Now look at them. They're completely green and thick. And nice leaves here. And I show you my shoes. Look, that's not beautiful. I feel my water is in my shoes, so I have to go back to my apartment to change my shoes before I go out to the park. If it won't start raining. If it starts raining, I will park my car and call it a day. But look at those bushes, nice and beautiful. And walking here, I'm checking this garden here. Somebody worked here already, start digging. And some other things here, the birch trees. Look at them. Beautiful. The life is starting here completely, and this is a beautiful, nice bush. Yes, guys. Well, for my Asian friends, they probably never seen this before. That's why I'm saying that I make the video, because you guys have only dry and wet season, always hot. Here it's cold, still cold. And unfortunately, the mic I put it on, it says it's working, but I guess maybe I had something when I was pushing on my shirt. I tested before in my car, it was working. Now I'm working, I have to do the voiceover again here. And walking back to my car, I'm gonna back to my, not to my car, to my apartment, to see if I change my shoes, because I'm still thinking about should I go or should I stay. Well, by the way, thank you a lot for joining me, and thank you for following me. I know some videos not so good, but I love you all. Please follow me, please subscribe, like it and share it, and I'll see you at the next video. And we have some ducks, geese. As you can see, the weather sucks today. I'm sorry for that. I was hoping for nice sunny weather, but the leaves getting green now, guys. Look, beautiful. This park has a few square kilometers. I'm not sure how many. A lot of room here, and inside they have picnics all over the place. This inside picnic, outside picnic. People doing some barbecues and playing games, and some people have reservations for those like covers, and I don't know how much they pay, but you know, the weather, I was hoping for better weather, because yesterday we had 22 degrees, today it's only 11. Yeah, we have some ducks. This is a wild duck, or what, this kind of black bird? I guess it's a duck. And there's a different duck behind, a brown, and a yellow bird here, but it's difficult to catch that yellow bird. Very fast, very small. I don't know if it can be seen on TV maybe, but probably won't be able to see on a phone or a planchette and stuff. Yeah, there are a few ducks here, different kinds. And over there, let me zoom them in. We have a couple of geese walking here with little ones. Yep. This is a little lake and the picnic stuff and a trail around. Let's go back to the car. Well, thanks for joining, guys. It was Ihor from Canada in St. Vital, Winnipeg. All the best, take care. Join the channel if you want. If you don't, that's okay. I'm just doing this for fun. I know I'm not perfect in any way. All my equipment for video gone after an accident was in my truck, was stolen. So I'm just using my phone. Maybe I'll get a camera, but with some nasty comments, I don't want to even do it much. That's it. Okay, see you later, bye.